Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, lane departure warning, power lift gate, backup camera, navigation system, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, tow hitch, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
We're located on Route 38 in beautiful Maple Shade, New Jersey, or online at fiatofmapleshade.com.